How to share your Shein wishlist on app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can share your Shein app's wishlist on your app, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you have the Shein app installed, you have some wishlist items. To view those, you just go to your cart section and then you visit the heart icon from the top right. Right under these items are all of the items that I've added to my wish list. Now there isn't a directly way to share actually all of these wish lists itself so that people whom you share the link with can view all the items. That's not how it works. But there is an indirect way to do this by creating a board. So if you look on the right hand side, we have this option known as board. We're going to go to this board section, tap on create board. I'm going to simply name this board demo for this video. Once I just name this board, I'll tap on create board. Now what I can do is when I just try to create a board, it will ask me to select the items from my wish list. So these are the items that are on my wish list, not on my cart, but on my wish list. So I can choose to add these items to my board over here. Then I can just tap on add to board. After I've added my wish list items to my board, now what I can do is I can actually share the board itself, not wish list, but the board. So when you just come to the boards tab, over here you'll find a little share button. Just tap on the little upload button, and now you can choose to copy the link, or you can send them directly to your friends by simply pasting the link on whatever platforms they prefer. This is one of the ways that I personally recommend, and this way you can share your Shein wishlist on app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.